Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can use the JoVE LTI tool to add videos into Moodle. Start by logging into Moodle. Then navigate to your course. Click on Turn Editing On button. Click on Add an Activity or Resource. Choose either JoVE Videos or External Tool. Click on Select Content. Click on Continue in a new window. Click on Videos. Select a video of your interest. Choose one or multiple videos. Click on Submit. Click on Save and return to course. Play the video. That's it. Thank you for watching.